Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to delete messages on Discord. To get started, open Discord app on your device. Once you're on the app, you will see somewhat like this. Go on your chat, and here you can see the text you have sent to a person or you have had a conversation. So long press on the text you want to delete. Once you do that, here you can see many options. Among them, click on delete messages option or delete option, and your text or message will be deleted successfully. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.